Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to connect PayPal and Stripe to your WooCommerce store for free. First, for PayPal, go to your WooCommerce settings and click the Payments tab. Find PayPal in the list and toggle the switch to enable it. Then, click Manage. On the Setup page, click the Connect with PayPal button. A pop-up will open. Log into your PayPal business account and grant WooCommerce permission. This automatically connects your account and configures the settings. Next, for Stripe, find Stripe in the Payments list and toggle it on. Click Manage. On the Stripe Setup page, click the Connect with Stripe button. A new window will open. Log into your Stripe account and click Authorize to connect it to WooCommerce. Once both are connected, go back to the Payments list. You can drag and drop PayPal and Stripe to set which one appears as the default option for your customers. Finally, always click the Save Changes button at the bottom to activate your payment gateways. And that's it. You've connected both PayPal and Stripe, allowing customers to pay by card or using their PayPal account. If this helped you accept payments, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.